Hi, this is Sarah. Sarah has a big problem. Birds. And unfortunately, those birds love Sarah's dryer vent. Sarah did some investigating and found out that birds are a major cause of dryer-related house fires. And also, drying times that take longer that run up the electric bills. So Sarah did some investigating on Google, trying to find out how she could solve her problem. All the problem fixes that Sarah found required time and tools. Not interested, said Sarah. Luckily, she found dryer vent bird guards on Amazon. Sounded like exactly what she needed. Quick install, no tools, guaranteed. Yeah, very good. And it even had an install video along with it. Here's a picture of the vent, and this is actually how you install it. First of all, take the top fin, grab the middle and kind of bend it to pull those nibs out both sides. All you'll need to do is pull the top two off. Then take that insert and just slip it down in back of the bottom two louvers or fins, and just go ahead and reinstall. Again, grab it in the middle and kind of bend it and fit those two slots in there. There's two nibs on either side. And that's it. 30-second install. After watching that, that was absolutely perfect. That's exactly what Sarah needed. Quick install, no tools to speak of, 2 inserts per package, guaranteed. Absolutely. Here's some testimonials. Dryer vent bird guards might be exactly what you need to take care of your bird problem. Pick them up at Amazon.